stop buying hay this winter. Most people think they have no choice but to spend hundreds on expensive bales, but experienced farmers know there's a smarter way. These 5 cover crops cost less than $20 to plant, work as hay alternatives, and actually improve your soil while they grow. Miss this December planting window, and you're stuck paying premium prices all winter long. Stick around. At the end, I'll reveal a bonus tip that makes all 5 grow faster and thicker, giving you more forage for your money. Number 1. Winter rye. This is the toughest, most reliable cover crop you can plant in December. It survives freezing temperatures, snow, ice, and still keeps growing. Winter rye germinates in soil as cold as 33 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can plant it late in December and it'll still sprout. Here's why farmers love it. 1 acre of winter rye produces 2 to 4 tons of forage by spring. That's enough to feed livestock for weeks without buying a single hay bale. Plant it now, and it'll establish roots before the ground freezes. Those roots hold the soil in place, prevent erosion, and break up compacted layers. When spring arrives, the rye keeps growing. You can graze it, cut it for hay, or till it under to add organic matter to your soil. Seeding rate, 60 to 90 pounds per acre. Broadcast it by hand or use a spreader. No special equipment needed. It costs about 50 cents per pound. That's $30 to $45 per acre. Compare that to $200 to $300 for hay bales to feed the same space. Winter rye is your insurance policy. Plant it once in December, and you're covered all winter and into spring. Number 2. Austrian winter peas. These are a legume, which means they do something most cover crops can't. They pull nitrogen from the air and fix it into your soil. That's free fertilizer. You're not just growing forage, you're improving soil fertility at the same time. Austrian winter peas are cold-hardy down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll survive most winter conditions and keep producing biomass. Livestock love them. The vines are high in protein, 15 to 25% crude protein, which is better than most hay you'd buy. Plant them in December, and they'll establish before winter hits. In early spring, they'll explode with growth. You can graze them fresh, cut them for hay, or leave them to fix nitrogen and improve your soil for next season's crops. Seeding rate is 30 to 50 pounds per acre. Mix them with winter rye for even better results. The rye supports the pea vines as they grow. Cost is about $1 to $2 per pound. That's $30 to $100 per acre depending on your seeding rate. 1 acre of Austrian winter peas can replace hundreds of dollars in hay and fertilizer costs. It's one of the smartest investments you can make in December. Number 3. Crimson clover. This is another nitrogen-fixing legume, and it's one of the most beautiful cover crops you'll ever grow. In spring, crimson clover produces bright red blooms that attract pollinators. But more importantly, it produces high-quality forage and adds up to 100 pounds of nitrogen per acre to your soil. It's cold-hardy and grows well in December plantings. It germinates quickly and establishes a strong root system before winter. Livestock graze it heavily in spring. The leaves and stems are tender, nutritious, and high in protein. If you don't graze it, you can cut it for hay or till it under as green manure. Either way, your soil wins. Seeding rate is 15 to 25 pounds per acre. You can broadcast it or drill it, both work fine. Costs about $2 to $3 per pound. That's $30 to $75 per acre. Crimson clover is perfect if you want forage and soil improvement. It's a double win, your animals eat well, and your soil gets healthier. One warning, don't let it go to seed and spread uncontrollably. Graze it or mow it before the seeds mature. Number 4. Hairy vetch. This is the nitrogen-fixing champion. Hairy vetch can add 100 to 200 pounds of nitrogen per acre to your soil, more than almost any other cover crop. It's extremely cold-hardy. It survives temperatures down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit and keeps growing through winter in mild climates. The vines grow aggressively and produce dense biomass. That biomass becomes high-protein forage for livestock or excellent mulch if you cut and leave it. Plant hairy vetch in December, and it'll establish a deep root system. Those roots mine nutrients from deep in the soil and bring them up where your next crop can use them. You can graze it in spring, cut it for hay, or terminate it and plant directly into the residue. It works for no-till systems perfectly. Seeding rate is 20 to 40 pounds per acre. Mix it with winter rye for the best results. The rye supports the vetch vines and prevents them from tangling. It costs about $2 to $4 per pound. That's $40 to $160 per acre depending on your seeding rate. Hairy vetch is more expensive up front, but the nitrogen it adds saves you $100 to $200 per acre in fertilizer costs next season. It's an investment that pays for itself twice, once in forage, once in soil fertility. Number 5. Oats as a winterkill cover crop. This one's different. Oats don't survive a hard freeze. They die when temperatures drop below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So why plant them in December? Because they give you fast fall and early winter forage, then terminate themselves without any work from you. Here's how it works. Plant oats in early December. They'll germinate quickly and grow 6 to 12 inches before winter hits. You can graze them through late fall and early winter. Livestock love them. They're tender, sweet, and high in energy. When the first hard freeze hits, the oats die. They leave behind a thick mat of residue that protects your soil all winter. In spring, that residue breaks down and adds organic matter. You can plant directly into it without tilling. Seeding rate, 60 to 100 pounds per acre. Broadcast them or drill them, both work. It costs about 30 to 50 cents per pound. That's $18 to $50 per acre. Oats are the cheapest, fastest cover crop on this list. They're perfect if you need quick forage now and don't want to manage a perennial crop. So those are the 5 cover crops. Now here's how to actually plant them in December. Step 1. Prepare your soil. You don't need perfect seedbed conditions. Just make sure the soil isn't frozen solid and isn't waterlogged. If you can, mow down any existing vegetation. This helps the seeds make contact with the soil. Step 2. Choose your seeding method. You have 3 options. Broadcast seeding. Spread seeds by hand or with a broadcast spreader. This works for all 5 crops. Drill seeding. Use a seed drill if you have one. This gives better seed-to-soil contact. Frost seeding. Scatter seeds on frozen ground. When the ground thaws, the seeds settle into cracks and germinate. Step 3. Seeding depth. Most cover crops need shallow planting. Winter rye, ½ inch to 1 inch deep. Austrian winter peas, 1 to 2 inches deep. Crimson clover, ¼ inch to ½ inch deep. Hairy vetch, ½ inch to 1 inch deep. Oats, 1 to 2 inches deep. If you're broadcasting, don't worry about exact depth. Just make sure seeds touch the soil. Step 4. Water and wait. If it rains within a week of planting, you're golden. If not, water lightly to help germination. Within 7 to 14 days, you'll see sprouts. By spring, you'll have thick, lush forage. Here's the bonus tip I promised: inoculate your legumes. Austrian winter peas, crimson clover, and hairy vetch are all legumes. They fix nitrogen by partnering with rhizobium bacteria in the soil. But here's the problem: your soil might not have the right bacteria strains for these crops. Solution? Buy legume inoculant. It's a powder that contains the specific bacteria each crop needs. Costs $5 to $15 per acre. You mix it with your seeds right before planting. This simple step can double or triple your nitrogen fixation. That means faster growth, thicker stands, more forage, better soil fertility. It's the easiest $10 investment you'll ever make. Where to buy? Any farm supply store or online. Just make sure you get the right inoculant for the crop you're planting. So those are 5 cover crops you can plant this December instead of buying expensive hay all winter. Winter rye for toughness. Austrian winter peas for protein. Crimson clover for nitrogen and beauty. Hairy vetch for maximum soil improvement. And oats for fast, easy forage. Plant them now, and you'll save hundreds of dollars while improving your soil at the same time. Which cover crop are you planting first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more tips on saving money and growing smarter, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.